Hi, David. How was your weekend?
Hey Emma, it was great. I spent time with my family. We had a small dinner party.
That sounds lovely. So tell me about your family.
Sure, I have a small family. I live with my parents and my younger sister. My dad is a teacher and my mom is a nurse.
Oh, that's nice. I also have a younger sister. She's still in school.
Cool. What do your parents do?
My dad works in a bank, and my mom runs a small bakery. She loves baking cakes.
That sounds delicious. I'd love to try one of her cakes sometime.
Definitely. I'll bring one to work next week.
So, how is your relationship with your family?
Very good. We're really close. We eat dinner together every night and talk about our day. My dad gives the best advice.
That's great. In my house, Sundays are family days. We watch movies or go for a picnic.
That sounds fun. My sister and I often go shopping or cook something together. We love trying new recipes.
My sister loves dancing. She's part of a dance group in her school.
That's amazing. My sister loves painting. She wants to become an artist.
It's nice to hear that both our families support our dreams.
Do you celebrate any special family traditions?
Yes! Every year, we go to my grandparents' house during the winter holidays. It's like a big family reunion.
That's wonderful. We have a similar tradition. Every summer, we all go on a road trip together. It's our family bonding time.
I love those small things. They create the best memories.
Yes, and every Friday night, we have game night. We play board games like Ludo and Monopoly.
Oh, I love Monopoly. My dad is super competitive.
Same here, it's so much fun.
I think family is very important. They're the people who are always there for you.
I agree. No matter how hard things get, my family gives me strength. They're my support system.
Same here. When I feel low, I talk to my mom. She always knows how to cheer me up.
My dad is my hero. He taught me how to be kind and strong.
That's beautiful. I think talking about family makes us appreciate them more.
Last weekend, I visited my grandparents. It was such a peaceful time.
Oh, that's nice. I haven't seen mine in a while. How are they?
They are doing well. My grandma still makes the best cookies in the world.
Grandparents are like treasure. My grandpa tells me old stories from when he was young.
Yes, mine too. They teach us so much about life, love, and patience.
I always feel at home when I'm with them. I call my mom every evening. Even if it's just for 2 minutes, I feel better after hearing her voice.
That's sweet. I send my dad good morning messages daily. It's our little routine.
I think small things like this make a big difference.
Yes, staying connected with family is important, especially when we're busy. Last month, we had a birthday party for my sister. It was amazing.
Oh, wow! What did you do?
We decorated the house, baked a big chocolate cake, and played music. She was so happy.
That's so thoughtful. We did a similar thing for my dad's birthday. He loves cricket, so we had a cricket themed party.
That's creative. Family events bring everyone together. It's not about money, but about love.
Absolutely. Memories over materials.
I'm thinking of writing a short paragraph about my family to practice English.
That's a great idea. Want help?
Yes, here's what I wrote. I have a happy family. My father is a banker and my mother is a baker. I have one younger sister. We love each other. We spend time together. We support and care for each other. I am proud of my family.
That's simple and beautiful. Well done. Last week, I had a small fight with my sister.
Oh no, what happened?
It was a silly misunderstanding about cleaning the room, but we talked it out and made up.
That's good. Arguments happen in every family. What matters is solving them with love.
Yes, we said sorry and hugged. Now everything is fine.
That's the spirit. Family means forgiving and moving on. Where is your family originally from?
We are from a small town in the mountains. My grandparents still live there.
That sounds beautiful. My family is from the coastal area. We love the sea.
Every place has its charm, and every family has its story.
That's true. Knowing your roots gives you identity and strength.
Talking about family all day made me miss them more.
Me too. I think I'll call my mum now.
That's a great idea. Let's always stay close to our families.
Yes, family is love, family is life.